Okay. It appears to be done. We've survived. I've hacked the Gibson. Now what do I do next?
Type in ls.
Just ls?
Yeah. What does it say in the window?
Okay, I typed in ls. Now there's a bunch of wacky hackerman commands.
Um, what would it be called? It'd be called. Type in this. So like, type in cd_cx and hit tab.
Okay.
Does it like autocomplete for you?
Okay, it auto completed to cxbx.
Yeah, hit enter.
Okay, now there's too many arguments. Fatal, too many. It's arguing.
What?
I don't know what's happening.
Oh, do this. Type in single quote. Single quote? Yeah, single quote. Type in single quote CX, hit tab, and then hit single quote and enter.
No such file or directory.
Type a PWD.
Okay, PWD, it says d/emulation/Xbox OG emus, which is the directory which I wanna
Restore it.
where I wanna store it, yeah.
Actually, even easier. Go into your file explorer, click on the CXBX thing, like go into the main directory of where it got cloned to.
Well, it's not cloned yet. I didn't download the. Remember?
You didn't clone it?
What? No, because you didn't tell me to.
Yeah, no, I said type in the big long thing. That's cloning.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Oh shit. Yeah. Here's the thing. It's right here.
Okay, go into the CXBX main directory.
Okay. Yeah. How do I make sure this becomes the right build number though?
Type in this. Whatever the revision number is, B38, B958.
Okay. So I type what you just said into the Minty, right?
Yeah.
Destination path already exists and is not an empty directory. How this is probably just going to give me the latest one. It's
No,
not gonna,
you're checking out a specific revision.
but there's nothing in the commands you've shown me so far to indicate that.
Git clone downloads the entire Git history.
Okay, so checkout rev doesn't work. Unexpected token, new line, cinema presents. A really bad idea that I'm starting to regret now.
Oh, did you type in Git? Oh, I forgot. You gotta preface it with Git.
Okay, so git checkout rev. Kev the man ordering pizzas to the bottom of the ocean before it was cool. Also error. Syntax error, unexpected token, new line. Cinema presents.
Unexpected token, new line. Okay, reinstall Git really fast.
What? Shut up.
Yeah, reinstall Git.
Get the fuck out of here, really?
Yeah, reinstall really fast.
Why?
The line checkout thing, they have it for Linux line endings when you're on Windows.
Okay, so I close the.
Close Git, uninstall it, rerun the installer.
Okay.
So you're running the installer?
I'm running the uninstaller, yeah. Are you sure you want to completely remove? Yeah. Okay. Git
You'll be fine.
was.
You don't have to re-download anything. Actually, no, you would. You have to reclone it. Delete the CXBX directory that you cloned.
Alright. So inside that directory is all possible versions of the build?
You are connected to Git, so it has the build histories, and then Git, if you tell it to check out a specific revision, it will go check that out for you.
Okay, so I'm reinstalling Git. So what settings do I change so that it works this time?
In the line endings one, the
Use Vim, use
in this
Notepad.
one,
Okay.
in this one, check out the first one.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
I was thinking that it was a Windows only thing, but they had it for Linux.
Alright, here we go. My knowledge of how to do this stuff begins and ends with, like, making Skyrim nude mods work together that aren't supposed to work together by, like, changing file names and folder directories and memorizing in my head, like, where everything is. Well, I spent
Basically,
6 hours reorganizing things so that they work. But this is next level.
Okay, so do you have Git installed?
Yeah, launch git bash.
Um, so go back to your file explorer, and in the directory that you want it to be cloned to,
Okay, I do
do it
git bash
again.
here, git bash.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Myth at
Do the
Windows
clone.
_9. Here we go. And then I do that. Alright. Puppy monkey fragger.
Puppy monkey baby.
Oh boy, it's doing shit again. Here we go. We're hacking. Hacking.
The FBI's on you.
Oh boy. Look at it go. All right, we're resolving objects, revolving the deltas. We're submodel path. All right, here we go. I think we're done. Checked out. Submodel path, subhook, simple-any, doohickey. We're good. Now what? Now what do I do?
Um, go in the file explorer, go into the folder, Git bash here.
Didn't we just do that?
Yeah, I created a new folder. Go into that one.
Okay, go into the folder just created. Now what?
Open up Git bash in there.
By just like right-clicking and...
Right click Git bash here.
Okay, alright, I did that. Now what?
Type in that.
Git checkout SHA-1rev.
That's the funny looking number. String thing.
Syntax error near unexpected token new line. Cinema presents. Another mistake.
That's so weird, huh?
Yeah, that's weird. That's some programming bullshit doesn't work like it's supposed to.
Because you deleted the old directory, right?
Yes! This is a fresh one.
Checked out the. Could you show me the actual error?
Sure.
I have to fucking like do this myself.
See, this is why this shit never works out for me. Whenever I ask people online for help, they're like, it just works. It just do this exactly and everything will be fine. There will be no deviation from what I say will happen and what happens. And then it's like, well, actually, yeah, clearly you're missing a step.
cloning into bullshit, blah blah blah. It's gonna take a minute. Syntax error, need. Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah, I forgot you took me literally. My bad.
What? As opposed to what?
I forgot you don't like read this shit often.
Read what shit? What the fuck does that mean?
Sorry. So like, I assumed you could.
I was about to say,
syntax.
yeah, I was about to say,
check out
how does
that.
it know specifically which? Yeah. See, I was.
Yeah, I assuming you knew to like fill in the blank there, but I'm not sure why you would.
All right, you are in a. Whoa! You are in a detached head state. You can look around, make experimental changes, and commit them. And you can discard any commits you make in this state without impacting any branches by performing another checkout. If you want to create a new branch to retain comments you create, you may do so now or later by using the -b with the checkout command again. Head is now at this potentially improve. What is head?
It's hard to explain.
Jesus Christ. Okay, so now what do I do?
Type that into the window.
Oh, Jesus. Am I gonna... Oh, man, I'm gonna... Okay, so... It's, like, without changing what's already there?
Yeah, you just type it.
What are
into the
you
blank
playing?
window.
Because it says get checkout and then that number, so I should backspace that away.
Did you hit enter? Oh yeah, you did hit enter. So yeah, just in the blank line, hit get reset -s hard.
Okay. It says head is now at B38. This potentially improves stability.
Type that.
Dude, we're banging on all cylinders here, boy. We're we're like Sotha Sil unearthing the secrets of the meta universe. Okay. Switch to a new branch, master. Now what?
Type in. Hold up, let me see something.
I almost feel like we need some like 90s hacker techno music. Cause I have no idea what I'm doing.
Alright, now navigate to, in that folder, get build Win32.
Wait, so I go to the physical folder, the CXBX reloaded folder, okay.
And then, since you have Visual Studio installed, you should see something that says cxbx.sln.
In the
Should
actual...
be associated. Yeah, on the build Win32 folder.
Oh, yeah. So build Win32 cxbx.sln. I see it.
Yeah, run that.
I just double click it.
It should open Visual Studio, that might take a minute.
Microsoft Visual Studio 2017. Here we go. I had Visual Studio 2010 for some reason. Wow, this do you have to do this for every different version that you want to get?
If you want to change to a different build specifically, yes.
What the fuck is the point of that? Like, why is it so difficult? Why is that like... I'm sorry, forgive me, but it just feels like to me like that this is a system designed by people that want to appear as though they're as busy and working as hard as possible when really it's just extra steps. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, the thing about Git is it's really powerful. It's super powerful, but it's not intuitive to use.
Okay, project target framework not installed. It says I have options to change the target to 4.6 or download the targeted pack for Net Framework version 4.5.
Download it.
Could not launch Mozilla Firefox, unexpected error.
Oh, that's on your end.
Yeah, maybe hold on. Maybe Visual Studio needs to be launched with administrator privileges.
That'd probably help.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Launching Visual Studio as admin.
Real men play Spiral Knights, alright?
Being sick.
Why is it opening a separate one for... Oh my god. Fuck this gay earth.
I agree. Fuck this gay earth.
It tried to open a separate Visual Studio window, so I gotta like... I gotta open it from... Oh, this is so good.
From Visual Studio.
Yeah, from inside... Wait, what the fuck? Open project solution. Here we go. Preparing solution. Yes, download the thing. And now it's going, yeah, it's working now. It's going to Microsoft. Not sure what to do. Downloads page. Try Netcore. Oh boy. So I want the runtime, not the SDK, I'm guessing.
No, you want 8.1 SDK.
It says I need 4.5 net framework.
Yeah, you need the .NET framework too.
Okay, let's... So I see Net Framework 4.5.2 on here. Developer pack, runtime, release details. Which one do I get?
What'd you say?
Okay, so the first thing I need is Net Framework 4.5.2.
Mm-hmm.
And the options on the site it linked are the developer pack, the runtime, or the release details. Which one do I want?
Probably developer.
Okay, I'm downloading this now. It says it comes with my version of Visual Studio, but I guess it doesn't.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
weird,
it says
huh?
it should be included with Visual Studio, but apparently it's not.
Yeah, so much for precision, right?
Yeah, installing DevTools sucks ass.
Alright, I'm installing the framework now. This is a... Oh boy, this is gonna be...
Hold still.
Yeah, no shit. Jesus.
Oh my god, games are so fucking smooth at 144. Absurd.
Oh, extracting. Why is it doing French, German, and like Italian and Japan? It's giving me every language version of this thing. Wow. You would think like a program made by programmers would like be efficient in how it uses resources, so it doesn't take like a year. All right, I have yes. Microsoft, yes. All right, it's been installed. And you said I needed something else from here?
You need the 8.1 SDK, you might have it, I'm not sure. It says you should, but...
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. So
So
projects.
yeah, reopen the SLN. See if it like screams at you.
Hey, Monty. Hello? Hello, Monty. Hello. Hmm?
Alright, we're running it as admin, and I'm farting presently. We're gonna open project solution. Wow! Okay, so it says now I need CS underscore x86. Or no, it says targeting that framework for which is not installed. What the fuck? I just installed it!
Reinstall Visual Studio? Or not reinstall.
Fucking
Reopen
no!
it.
No!
No, reopen it.
I closed it out, and let me show you is this what you do when this is your job? Like, when you're a programmer, you just, like, collect money for, like, reinstalling programs?
Just hope it works. You just hope it works. C# project CSX86 is targeting .NET. You installed 4.5.
Yeah, I just did.
And it's still telling you haven't installed it?
Yes.
I don't know. You could try the first option, see if that does anything.
Okay. The project CSXBX debugger is targeting, which is not installed. It's basically going to ask me to do that for each one. Alright, so far, it's doing things. Alright, things are happening. Okay, now it says ready. Now what?
At the top, of the thing, it just say build, right?
I
Or
see
maybe
the button that
project
says build, yeah.
Build it for release.
Build, which clean build, rebuild solution, build solution, build CXBX, like which one do I hit?
Build, do clean build.
There
Yeah,
isn't a
take
clean
a
build
minute.
option. There's clean, there's rebuild, there's build.
Yeah, do third build.
Do the third build? What?
The third option.
Clean solution.
Send me a screenshot of what it says.
Sure.
You're running Windows 9? What?
What?
That's not a thing.
Not for
What does it say? What does it say? your
because I'm
computer's
running Windows 9.
Oh, good meme.
Yeah, I can't alt print screen because it's in a so there's build
Yeah.
there's build solution, which is Control Shift B, rebuild solution, clean solution, run code analysis on solution. Then under that there's build CXBX debugger, rebuild CXBX debugger, clean CXBX debugger.
Click the first option. It just says build.
All right, now it's doing something. Build failed.
Might take a minute.
5 errors, 6 warnings.
We'll see. Screenshot all of them and post them.
So they're all about the net framework.
Oh, yep. I'll do it.
To resolve this, install the STK or targeting pack for this framework version or retarget your application. Wow.
Yeah, that's all the build instructions.
The
say.
Windows SDK version 8.1 was not found. Install the required version of Windows SDK. What? What do they mean, Windows SDK?
Source development, or not source, whatever that. This is source and SDK.
Okay, what do I need to download now? Oh my god. Oh, Jesus.
You guys think Spook's really gonna make it?
Because 2017 works. It should come with the 8.1 SDK.
Don't say that word. I hate that word right now. It should.
Okay, go to this URL.
Jesus.
Should doesn't mean it will, but it should.
You're telling me, oh, they're all about precision, these programming types.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what this is. That's why you gotta install all these fucking SDKs.
Alright, specify location. Install the Windows Software Development Kit for Windows 8.1. So it'll go C, Programs, Windows Kits.
Isn't it just an executable?
No, it says setup.exe.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to install it in the default location, I guess.
Yeah, sounds good.
It needs 1.6 gigs of disk space.
So Darby, you gonna hack Steffi's computer again?
Oh, some select the features you might want to install. Windows Performance Toolkit, debugging tools for Windows, Net Framework 4.5.1, MSI tools, Windows App Certification Kit, Application Verifier. Windows Software Development Kit, Windows App Certification. Alright, here we go. Installing this. This is... Ferric, I appreciate so much that you're like walking me through this because there's no way in hell that I would get this far without your help.
Sounded like you really want to play that game. And
I
that's
do.
like Panzer Dragoon.
Orda.
Which one is that?
It's the one on the
think-
Xbox.
I think I played that one. That's a good game.
It is. All right, we're installing. Oh man, this is some wacky shit right here, man. This is
Well, this game looks way worse than I thought it did.
well on an emulator, yeah.
I remember it looked so sick back in the day.
Dude, man, I remember getting chills watching the opening cinematic as like the dragons are about to kill her, and then like the fucking original dragon, the OG motherfucker, is like speed hacking in the distance, like trying to get there to save her. I was like, oh, this is epic, yes.
I don't remember that. I played it when I was like, shit, it must have been like 8.
Yeah, I was like 10, 8 or 9. Maybe I was younger, but no, I have. I remember.
Yeah, who else remembers?
I remember
Pepperidge Farm
Pandora's
remembers.
box. The Pandora's box in that game was like really trippy and like resi. And I remember thinking that this is how I should make the inside of my mental office look because it's pretty. So from that day forward, the inside of my mental office is one part the inside of Pandora's box and one part the inside of an old library. Alright, development kit installed, yada yada. Okay, now let's close Visual Studio again. Open Project Solution. I gotta hold on. Okay, we're starting up again. Oh no. Wait, now it's asking for a different one. What the fuck? It says I don't have Net Framework 4.6.1.
I think it's because you changed the build target.
No, I just restarted 4.6.1. All of these are included in Visual Studio. What the fuck is happening? The fuck is happening to my computer? Hey! Grandma! Help me. Save me.
How to modify the target framework.
Wait, so here's the thing. The first option says change the target to Net Framework 4.6.1. You can change back to Net Framework 4.6.1 at a later time. What?
Mm-hmm.
So wait, so there's two different versions of 4.6.1?
Shouldn't be.
Yeah, well.
That is very, yeah, I don't know. It's fucking weird.
Oh yeah.
That's
That's weird, huh?
It shouldn't change. What? It. You have that installed, don't you? It
Well-
should have it installed.
Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, that's what. Yeah. Should I change from 4.6.1 to 4.6.1 and see if it
Go
builds?
for it. Yeah, just go for it.
YOLO. Alright, so far it's not doing things. It's doing nothing. It says ready, background tasks. What am I supposed to do now?
Try to build it.
Okay, build solution.
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Woo, we got a lot of errors now. Okay, cannot open file C type ish, string ish, string stilible ish. Cannot open include file Varric, man, if you know how to do this, can you just like compile the Windows?
So exe.
Well, I need the directory, right? Like the whole thing. But it's like it's
I have to
tiny.
install Visual Studio. Do I have Visual Studio installed actually?
Yeah, you should if you have all this other shit. 120 errors, 4 warnings.
Yeah, I don't have the actual compiler installed. I have the text editor. I will download that and see if I can get that working for you.
I would appreciate that because, like, not for nothing, I am trying to do this the right way. I'm trying to do what all these fucking jet guys over there are like. All right, I got to do this. Return a version of the frame. Global assembly cache, GAC.
Yeah, I remember I reformatted my hard drive, so I don't have like Visual Studio.
Yeah, you used to do that a lot back when we played Path. You would like reformat every week.
Yeah, that's because I was switching operating systems.
Dude, this is gonna be the mother of all fucking. This is nuts. All right, I can close out the Git windows, right? I don't need them anymore, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Closing out.
Zombie Jamboree.
Monty, have you been listening to this?
Yeah, you're gonna hack the mobile and finally bring justice. How's that for some good news today?
What would be good news is the extension. Okay, just making sure. Dude, when Ferric said just reinstall Visual Basic, my fucking heart rate shot up, like my blood pressure spiked, like.
Remember when JT Snowboy made a GUI interface using Visual Basic
to track the killer's IP? Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe how needlessly complicated this is.
Yeah, it's super complicated. Once you get set up, you can build anything ever, and it's pretty easy.
Well, you can build anything ever if you have the SDKs, right?
Yeah, but if you install them once, you got them forever.
Apparently not!
Hope, ideally.
Yeah, right? That's the kind of arguments I get with people. Like they'll say, well, this is, once you do this, everything, well, yeah, realistically, hypothetically, in the best of circumstances, sure. I agree with that statement. But if there's something that can go wrong, it's going to go wrong for me. Profiler options. There's a lot of shit. This is like, I feel like I'm playing Eve for the first time again.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bunch of bullshit I don't understand. And instead of it being exciting and thrilling and enticing, it's morbid and frightening and scary. Why doesn't Windows just come with all the net frameworks, right? If you need them for games and you need them in order to like do stuff, why do they just not include all of them? They're tiny. Why what's the point?